Hi folks, welcome to Guarantee RV. Today we're going to show you the Chaparral, the 36. It's a 2019. Very nice coach, pretty long, but as you can see, the power awning right off the bat. Outside speakers, those they light up at night. They're waterproof. Really nice graphics on this coach. Again, here we go. Got the magnets right there. No latches. Some work needs to be done here, but we're working on it. Never mind this one. Anyways, yeah, come on inside. I'm gonna show you more stuff as we go in. This is the aluminum steps. Really nice. Come on in. This is the, in a way, the mid-bunk model as you go in here. See that? You got a couple of beds, lots of storage room up there. See cabinets. I mean, they didn't just put shelves in it. They did good work. As we go in here, this is what I call like a hutch kind of style. The sink and the cabinets here. Look at that. They're on this side. Pretty cool traffic flow kind of idea. Counter space, of course. We got this dramatic fridge right here, folks. Look at that. Really nice. It's a bigger fridge than usual. I like the height of this microwave where, you know, I'm not a tall guy, but see, you can see right there. You got your burners, your oven, you know, look at that. Pretty nice. Again, we got some management here. You got your trash. Okay, this is your, in a way, your storage. You know, they made it into, you know, like cabinets in here for cans, what have you, big dishes or maybe pots and pans down there. They do have this style of, look at that, we got some stools here, so you have an island where you can just hang out. A nice fridge, TV with a fireplace right here. Again, as you can see, you can reach all the cabinets here. We got LED lights throughout this coach with a fan up there. You see that? It's a nice touch. I like this color of leather. It's not the light, it's not the dark. It's Thomas Payne. These are really real leather and very comfortable for you and your guests. 4 chairs with a dinette. Lots of windows, as you can see, very open. Let's go in here and see what's going on in the bedroom. Yeah. Nice cozy bedroom with a slide into the bed, and again right here we have your washer and dryer hookup, folks. See that? Very nice. Nice closet back here, and they all have the, can hang your stuff up here. Nice. Okay. Got plugins down there just in case you're wondering if there is any power outlets here. Really nice. Again, look at this. This is a big drawers right here with lots of shelving. TV mount. All the hookups are ready for you. Let's look at the bathroom here real quick. Nice bathroom right here. Enclosed shower. Okay, look at that. Bigger sink than usual. It does have a sensor for the light. At night you walk in, you know, lights comes on by itself. I love that seat in the shower also. Let's go outside and show you more stuff. Nice slide out, as you can see here. That's where the love seat was. As we go around, you see a ladder right here. See, this makes it possible for you to go up and check for debris and what have you. There is a bike rack in a way, maybe a barbecuer. This is ready for you to use. Again, we'll come around, we got this slide. That's the kitchen slide. And as we go, these are the windows for the bunkhouse, the mid-bunk. So you got a couple of windows here for an easy exit, of course, God forbid. This is my favorite part right here. This is one hub, folks. You got your auto level, your shut-off is right there, your outside shower, black tank, you name it, gray tank, one hub, you know, will take care of business. And again, there is a lot more to, you know, discuss about this coach. Give me a call when you get a chance at 541-515-1237. Thank you.